Hello. Today we're going to unbox my latest acquisition from eBay. What I have here is a Miniville train set. Now, I have for comparison purposes here a Hornby with a Miniville car. The differences, as you can see, are very... So the first thing I'm going to do before running it is confirm that the gauge on it is correct. And comparing it to this Miniville, where I already corrected the gauge, it would appear that it may be close to maybe a little bit too small. So I'm going to check that first. Let me give you a brief history of Miniville. Miniville Clockwork Train sets was offered by a company called the American Toy Train Company from 1969 to 1970. American Toy Train Company itself existed from 1967 to 1970. They offered mostly Hornby Triang trains along with some Roco trains. The Miniville Clockwork set initially shipped with Hornby's plastic black track, but later was replaced by a 36-inch loop of Atlas sectional track. It also shipped with a Hornby Triang TT scale station. Okay, with all that out of the way, let's see how it runs on the layout. Thanks for watching.